Welcome to our Silent Unity prayer service for this month of September 2023. I invite you to take a few moments just to relax, to take a breath in and out, to breathe in and out as peace, as relaxation, honoring this time that we come together in prayer, to bless ourselves, to bless all those whom we hold in prayer, and our world. So we devote our time and attention together today to nurturing and renewing prayer. We breathe as a way of clearing a cluttered brain and settling into peaceful stillness. We reconnect with our intact spiritual nature, which is wholeness and well-being. Recognizing our oneness with God, we begin by affirming, "My mind quiets in the presence of divine peace." With every mindful breath, I breathe in peace. Every exhalation is a letting go into the peace of the present moment, soothing my body and calming my thoughts. I rest in my natural state of spiritual well-being, unperturbed by any sensation or circumstance. I relax into peaceful stillness. In the silence of prayer, I hear a whisper of truth. Every breath takes me deeper, more fully into peaceful stillness in which I suspend human reasoning and searching. I rely upon a spiritual wisdom, a quiet nudging of intuition to arise as a whisper of knowing. Questions and concerns resolve naturally from the silence, and I respond with confidence and courage. God is the breath of life, the vitality in my body and being. Each breath reminds me of the continuous flow of divine life that is my animating and vitalizing power. I vision divine life as a potent healing stream of rejuvenation, reaching every structure and space in my body. By the power of divine life, I am fully alive, whole in body, mind, and spirit. I am rich in divine ideas, wealthy in divine abundance. Breathing freely in and out, I draw upon limitless substance to access abundant health, wealth, wisdom, and strength for every moment's need. I release patterns of thought based in lack and limitation, and I lift my mind to notice an endless supply of free-flowing divine ideas. The road ahead may be unseen, but I walk by faith and not by sight. Easily I breathe, trusting in every ordered step forward. By the perceiving power of faith, I never have to submit to worry. Instead, I perceive the underlying and pervasive presence of God, of good, as I take my next steps forward. I walk by faith. With appreciation for the restorative power of prayer, we turn our thoughts to the hours ahead. We are fortified by faith, life, and wisdom. Peacefully we proceed. Gratefully we conclude our prayer time by affirming the prayer for protection. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen.